Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you what is the negative indexing in string. Okay, we know indexing starts with a 0 to the length minus 1 position. Whereas if we consider this this we want with a negative indexing, so it starts with the ending to the first one. Negative indexing starts with the uh, ending, that is minus 1 to minus 15 in this string. Total length of the string is 15. So it started with the 1. It ended with the minus 15. So I will type negative index. Yeah, it given a output R. Okay. If I use minus 15, yeah, it will work. If I try to use minus 16, it will not work. It gives a error. Yeah, string index out of range error. If we do some operation with s in okay, what it will give, wr, w plus r, it is concatenated. It's a plus operator. If we change it to combination of positive index and negative index, what happens? Check it out. It given a output. So many ways we can do a negative indexing and positive indexing. I hope you understood. I will see you in the next session.